In this video, I'll show you how to access Leonardo AI in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to the official Leonardo AI website. Make sure you're using the official website rather than an unofficial website claiming to provide Leonardo AI access. Once the website loads, look for the option to sign in or get started. If you already have a Leonardo AI account, choose the sign-in option and enter your account details. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before using the platform. After signing in successfully, Leonardo AI should take you to its main dashboard or workspace. Take a few moments to explore the interface. Depending on the current version of Leonardo AI, you may see tools for image generation, image editing, upscaling, creative assets, and other AI-powered features. If you don't see a particular feature, remember that Leonardo AI can change its interface and feature availability over time. Some features may also depend on your account or plan. Once you can access the main workspace, you're ready to start creating. Try opening the image generation tool and entering a simple prompt as your first test. Generate an image and explore the available controls. If everything works correctly, you now have access to Leonardo AI and can begin exploring its creative tools. And that's how you can access Leonardo AI in